Hello, welcome back to another lesson about the C programming. Today we will discuss about the pointers. We already know if we declare a variable, let's say x, of type of integer, our variable will actually store a value. Now, what is a pointer? Instead of storing a value, a pointer will store the address of a variable that points to the storage of memory address of another variable. This is the pointer. Like variables, pointers have to be declared before they can be used in a program. And after declare a pointer, we initialize it like a standard variables with a variable address. To get the address of variable, we will use the ampersand placed before the name of variable whose address we need. And then following program, we'll write how we can initialize the pointer with following syntax. Let's run our small program. Let's say our integer variable pointed, I don't know, with say 5 semicolon. This is our variable declaration. Now we will declare a pointer which will be our variable declaration, and we said should be the pointer semicolon, and now the pointer we use to get the address of variable, we'll use the ampersand for it. It is to our variable, which it is x. And that line of code, we store the address of variable. And now we'll use the printf function to see how it works. Let's say address store right, store is we'll want to find out the address. Now in this line we're accessing the address. Now we want to find out also the value for it, and with function printf value, let's say store in variable p is integer type and now we try to accessing the value in this line. We will make some comments over here to be clear. Variable declaration. Over here it is the pointer declaration. And here it is the store address of x in pointer p. And over here it is the accessing address and here is accessing value. Now we'll run the code, see how it's working. Maybe we'll have the warning, but what kind of error it is over here? Oh. We run and we'll find out the address which is stored, and also the value of p is 5. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.